The planet's health has reached its worst state of emergency. Overcoming the climate crisis is the biggest challenge of our time. Earth needs help now. The solution lies in hydrogen, the fuel of the future, produced from renewable sources. It's what we call green hydrogen. It is the key to the energy transition. It will generate wealth and save the world from global warming. We are talking about a revolution to defend the Earth's ecosystem and the quality of life for future generations. Everything goes through the work of Quinto Energy. This vanguard company is attentive to climate issues and started developing a green hydrogen mega project almost 8 years ago. The project is so large that it will redefine the world energy roadmap, putting Brazil at the center of the attention of the greatest powers on the planet. We will produce 864,000 tons of green hydrogen annually, a financial impact of intercontinental magnitude. And all this transformation begins in the Caatinga in Bahia, a poor region affected by climate change, where the difficulties are as great as the hope for better days. There are 5 large-scale wind and solar farms. One of them is even considered the largest in Brazil and the 3rd in the world. They are distributed in 15 cities, more precisely in 2,800 rural properties, in a gigantic dimension of 630,000 acres, where the sun and the wind are perfect, like nowhere else on the globe. In addition to being colossal, our projects are the most competitive on the market. Our installation is less expensive, and the equipment supply is not a problem, besides having defined regulations in Brazil. It's cheaper, and it's for now. There will be more than 2,600 wind towers and 6.5 million photovoltaic panels, which will generate more than 52 TW of energy, something hardly ever developed by a Western company. This energy will reach our green hydrogen plant through our own transmission line of 680 miles to the coast. Most of its route already has government licensing. Here, we will produce the fuel of the future through the chemical process of electrolysis. We put the electric current in contact with the water molecule to be able to separate the hydrogen atom from the oxygen, finally capturing the gas we need. The best option to export this energy is in the liquid state. For this, we will convert it into one known as green ammonia. 4.8 million tons of green ammonia will be exported annually, which will later be reconverted into hydrogen in the destination country. This project alone represents 10% of all demand on the European continent. 10 tankers will leave our plant every month supplied with energy. Energy that has the color of hope, that is renewed like the ability to dream of that simple family at the beginning of our story. For the environment, this means avoiding the emissions of 32 million tons of CO2 into the atmosphere, the equivalent of planting 224 million trees. For the environment, the world will receive from the Sectão of Bahia the energy that will change the course of humanity. This project will now achieve what was predicted for the future. This is possible because we are the wind, the sun, the water. We are the infinite power of nature. We are Quinto Energy. Quinto Energy, developing the future now.